Static is used to mean something at rest or that which is without movement. The laptop on the table is static. Economic statics is related to economic variables. Economic variables may be micro or macro. Price, quantity demanded or supplied, individual income are microeconomic variables because they deal with an individual. National income, aggregate demand or aggregate supply, GDP, inflation are macroeconomic variables because they deal with the economy as a whole. Observe the figure. Can you identify which figure shows a microeconomic situation and which figure shows a macroeconomic situation? Clearly, the first figure is a case of microeconomics and the second figure is a case of macroeconomics. There are three observations. The equilibrium is at a point and is static. Equilibrium is attained keeping all other variables constant or static. Change of other variables will change the equilibrium. The variables are measured at one point of time. It may therefore be called timeless economy. Both are cases of economic statics. Anything in motion comes under the study of dynamics. Consider the laptop on the table again. If the laptop moves from point A to point B, at each point A and B, the laptop is at rest or static. But the part traversed from point A to B is dynamic. Economic variables that are studied under dynamic setting is economic dynamics. When an economy is in a dynamic setting, the equilibrium changes. In this case, time plays an important role. Time may be measured in hours, days, weeks, months, or years. In dynamic analysis, current values of economic variables depend on the past values of its own or on other variables. This gives rise to a path. The study of this path comes under the purview of economic dynamics. Economic dynamics may be divided into microdynamics and macrodynamics. The cobweb model is an example of microdynamics and it studies the fluctuations in prices. In this model, the movement of equilibrium follows different paths. Sometimes it may be a stable equilibrium or convergent equilibrium. Sometimes the movement may be divergent or unstable, and sometimes it may have a constant path. These three cases of the cobweb model will be discussed in the next few minutes. Observe this figure. The arrows move towards the original equilibrium. This is a case of stable or convergent equilibrium. This shows that if price changes due to some external forces, it has a tendency to move towards the original equilibrium. This figure is a case of unstable or divergent equilibrium as the arrows move away from the original equilibrium. This is yet another case where the equilibrium follows a constant path. This is a case of constant equilibrium. Observe the three figures of convergent, divergent, and constant equilibrium. What do you think is the reason for the difference in the path of equilibrium? Macrodynamics deals with macroeconomic variables. The investment multiplier is an example of macrodynamics. It relates to the time lags in the process of income generation. This figure shows the dynamic multiplier. The multiplier tells us that a change in investment has a more than proportionate positive impact on the income generation. This change is not instantaneous but is a gradual process.